Hello and welcome to this video where we shall be talking about pass by value in Java. So let's jump straight in. Let's not waste any time on this. It's a fairly simple topic. As you know, Java is always pass by value. I think I mentioned that in a previous video. Unfortunately, when it comes to pointers and references and all this jargon, they decided to call pointers references, thus confusing people. But anyhow, these references are passed by value, so let me show you how this exactly works. So we've got two objects here. We don't really want to... Let me have a look. Well, let's delete these. Delete this from here. And let's go up. What we're going to do is we've got this here, so let's go ahead and we can use a setter. So let's just do if employee1 dot get name. Well, what name was that? Get first name dot equals call. Then this is going to be true. System out. Just going to print this easily. So Java is passed by value. Close that. I'll show you how it works for all the people who know the difference between pass by value and pass by reference. So let's get the first name. We'll do get first name dot equals dot Tom. You know what? I can't bother typing that. For the example. So what we're going to do down here is let's just run this and I'll show you exactly what's going to happen. Java is passed by value. The only reason for this is specifically if we do this should help probably explain what's happening. So we just do foo, and then we can do, let's say, actually let's not do it in here. It's probably better to do it in here. So let's just go down here, we've got the main. Foo, we're going to pass in an employee, e, and then we're going to do e dot get name, well get first name, dot equals call, should be true. E dot new employee Tom. I'll fix that in a second. E dot get name. We'll get first name. Why do I keep forgetting that? Dot equals Tom. I'm just quickly create this constructor so it stops whinging away at me. Public employee. That should work. There we are. Let's go ahead and run this. And there we are, Java is passed by value. Even though what's going on here is we're basically creating a new employee. Does it equal Tom? We're not actually calling this right at the minute. So even though it's still running passed by value, let's not worry too much about that. What we could do is we could just do let's change employee to this. Let's rerun this. Actually, I've done employee one, and then let's do foo, and just pass in employee one. And there we are. Still pass by value. What we've done here is we've created a new employee, Carl foo, which is just basically a static void method. Passing in employee one goes in as e. We do get first name equals Carl, which is in this case true. E is new employee Tom. Does it equal Tom? Yes, it does. Then we're checking here for the first name. We actually need this one here. Let's get rid of that. We're checking for the first name, so it will return Carl. The value of the employee within main is not overwritten within the function, which is foo here. With well, with the employee named Tom as the object reference for that matter in that case. And what else is there? So if this was like passed by reference, then get name in this case in main would return Tom after the function call. Well, initialization up here. So yeah, it's pretty simple. It's hard to wrap your head around sometimes. Pass by reference, pass by value. Basically, with pass by reference, you're passing in the reference to that particular, say, object in this case, or variable, and you want to edit that like globally. Pass by value, passing in the value. So I actually much prefer pass by value actually. It can get like slightly confusing. Pass by value can. Trying to think. I was hoping I'd have a diagram for this, but unfortunately not. Yeah, so pass by reference, passing the reference in pretty much just to so we can edit that particular reference, directly to that particular say object. You can never pass by reference in Java, I don't believe. But nevertheless, pass by value, you're passing in the value, and that can change if you like. So you can get the value, and we can change that particular value. Generally speaking, when it comes to pass by value, just think of it as a copy. So you could think of it, well, a variable as a copy of the passed argument. So passing by reference, you're passing again. The function parameter will always be the same as the call as passed argument. It's not the value, but the identity. So the variable itself, if you're passing in, that'll get edited directly. Pass by value, you're just creating a copy. Yeah, so hopefully that makes sense. It can get a bit confusing, can pass by value and pass by reference. If you have any questions, drop in the section below. If this was helpful, feel free to subscribe. And yeah, thanks for taking time to watch this video. I shall see you in the next one.